Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got another tutorial for you covering how to create the exclamation point clip command via Lumia stream to help your chat easily clip your content. Now this can be used on Twitch, on Facebook as well, but we're only going to be setting it up for Twitch. This makes clipping on Twitch super simple and done in a few seconds, rather than the traditional way on mobile, which is very complicated personally, and also the browser, which is a little bit long-winded and sometimes doesn't even load. So let's get into it. First off, you need to download Lumia Stream. So all you need to do is head over to their website, click on Get Lumia Stream Free, download for your operating system, and then go up to the top corner and click Sign In. From there, you'll then be able to, when it does it, there we go. Then you'll be able to sign in with either Twitch, Google, Facebook, or Trovo, whichever one you use. Obviously, I use Twitch. We signed in with Twitch. Now, you can do this with the free account. You don't need to have a paid subscription. If you have a paid subscription, though, you do get unlimited chat commands, and I believe the free is limited. I just can't remember to how many. So once it's all installed and you have signed in to the app, you need to head over to the left menu, and you need to go to Commands. Well, what we're going to do, we're going to go to Add Command. You can start from scratch. It's a little bit more complicated, but we're not going to do that. We're going to simply use the presets that are here already. We're creating a clip command, so we're going to want to go to Twitch Actions first. Go to the type, change that to clip, and then add action. Now that'll add a 30-second clip command on Twitch for it to just be saved, and away you go. So what you may have noticed there as well is when you click on type, you can see clip and send to Discord. Now, that essentially just sends a message to Discord, but you do need to set up a webhook. So you have the Lumia bot within your Discord, and then obviously you put your message, just include the variable Twitch clip in your message, and then that will then post it to a specific Discord channel set up by your webhook. But we're just going to use the basic one for now. Now that's ready to go if you just want a 30-second Twitch clip, but we're going to make this command do a little bit more. Now, first off, you need to have activated the replay buffer within your OBS. Now, there is a video for that, which you can find in wherever top corner above my head, I believe, over here somewhere. And also there'll be a link in the description below for the video of how to set up your replay buffer. So to do this, you need to go to OBS. Again, click on type, and then scroll down until you see replay buffer save. Now we click on that one and just add action. Now what that will do, when the command is run, it will then save a replay of your main screen to the folder that you have chosen your replay buffer to save to. Also, it will save it in the duration that you've chosen. So for me, I have it on a 60-second duration for my replay buffer. That way, I get a little bit more to play with when it comes to editing the clip. Plus, I get it in full resolution and not Twitch's sort of slightly downgraded resolution. So once you've done that, just click complete. You've got OBS and you've got Twitch actions. Okay, so now we want to do a little bit more. Now, this is quite straightforward. It's just putting a message into chat to say that you've clipped the clip. So click on chatbot, click enable, and you'll see the default because Lumia is plays with your lights as well. If you've never used it before, that's one of the things it does. So the default is username, change the lights to command, please wait, right? So what we're going to do, we're going to delete that and just have username. So the person's username, whoever used the command, will come up, and then we're going to go with created this epic clip, right? And then we need the variable. So if we just put in clip in the variable, and then you want to go Twitch last clip URL. Okay, that'll post URL straight to your Twitch chat, and then other people can then enjoy that clip as well. Now, again, this message can say whatever you want. This is just a really basic, simple one. Just remember, if you've got link blocking on your Twitch chat, to make sure that your Lumia bot is modded so it doesn't obviously stumble at that hurdle. So click complete on that one and we get another little tick. So we've got those 3 actions ready to go. Now what you can probably see here as well on this page, because I've linked up my TikTok and my Twitter, we will send it to Twitter. So simply click on Twitter, type send a tweet with media, and then select your message. So again, you can use variables if you want to. So you could have username clipped this epic moment, and then you can then do the Twitch clip as well. I can never remember what it actually is, so just click on variables, Twitch clip URL, And then what you can do as well, and this is one that I use quite often, is if you click on, well, if you see under here, it actually says you can use screenshot, OBS screenshot to send screenshot or OBS replay to send your replay buffer. So you could actually send the clip as a separate clip straight to Twitter, because it will take it from your replay buffer. What I'm going to do though, I'm going to take a screenshot from OBS at the point of the clip happening. So all you got to do is click on there, and we'll copy and paste that actually. So OBS underscore screenshot is the URL, is the underscore screenshot is the variable. So what that will do then, it will take a screenshot of your OBS at the point the clip was taken, send that image over to Twitter along with the link back to your Twitch clip, your Twitch clip itself with the URL. So that's something else you can add. We'll add that action and complete. So now we've got Twitter. Here's one more thing you can do, but we're not going to do it today, but you can actually send it straight to your TikTok drafts. So if you're running the vertical plugin, then this is where that comes in handy. I am going to do a video on it in due course, but you can send it straight to your TikTok drafts, and then you can just edit it on TikTok and away you go. But either way, we're done for now on that one. So once you've actually added all of your integrations, you need to click on next step. This will give you the name of your command. So obviously you want it nice and easy. So just literally put clip. Okay, that will then create the command exclamation point clip for you already. You don't have to put the exclamation point in, just clip. Now you can add aliases if you want to. So if someone says something like clip, but they don't put the exclamation point, it will still then clip whatever's going on. So that, but the only thing with that is just in general chat, that could be randomly clipping stuff. You will now want to go next step. And then you've obviously got duration, delay, etc., etc. Now the durations generally fill your light stuff, so we don't need to really worry about it. So we just leave it at 4 seconds. And then you've got your user level. So if you want just your followers to do it, obviously untick anyone. Okay, otherwise everyone can clip. If you're not that bothered, you can keep anyone activated. But you can actually set it so it's just a sub thing if you want to. So giving something back to your subscribers. Or you could just leave it to as it is default for everyone on there as well. On to next step, and this is the final step. So obviously you got skip queue, etc., etc. If you want to put a queue on it, you can do, so it's not done too often. The only problem with that is if someone clips it and they miss a little bit, but someone clips it a couple of minutes later, or not a couple of minutes, a few seconds later, and gets the whole clip, then you will miss that second one. So it's worth, I would say, just leave the queue off it unless obviously it's being spammed. And finally, just hit complete and save. That is your clip ready to go. Now, on my commands up here, it has created clip-22787. Now that is because I already have an exclamation point clip command, and we can't have the same one. So that's it. You're all done and ready for your chat to start clipping your content. Super easy with the exclamation point clip command. If this video has been helpful to you, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more content, and also ding the notification bell so you know when we go live. We do play games here as well as doing the tutorials, so please come and join us in chat. So until the next one, guys, take care. Bye-bye.